With questions, many students face challenges in getting their doubts cleared timely and effectively. Welcome to IGNOU Hub, introducing our innovative doubt resolution service for students of any kind of homework and assignments. Drop a message on WhatsApp 900-936-8238. How to ask questions. Write or give screenshot of your questions on given WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Step 1. Ask your questions. Wait for reply. After confirmation, please pay and get your answer within a day. Why should you choose us? Fastest service, reliable answers, free student support, minimum charges. If A. Explain the classification of cybercrimes with the help of examples. B. How is computer contaminant defined under Section 43 of the Information Technology Act 2000. C. List any 6 offences as per the Information Technology Act 2000. D. What are the liabilities of network service providers? Explain. E. Explain the term cyber forensics. So these are the 5 questions. If you need answers, contact us. Thank you so much for watching.